Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are passionate about creating content, always on the lookout for the latest tools that can make your life easier, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into Kling AI, a cutting-edge AI-powered tool that's revolutionizing video creation. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to enhance your video making skill, Kling AI might be the game changer you have been waiting for. So, what exactly is the Kling AI? Kling AI is an innovative tool designed to simplify and enhance the video creation process. It uses artificial intelligence to generate high quality videos from just images and text inputs. That's right, with Kling AI you can create professional looking video without needing advanced editing skills or spending hours in front of computer. Kling AI is perfect for businesses, content creators, and even individuals who want to produce eye-catching videos for social media, YouTube, presentations, and more. Let's take a closer look at how Kling AI works. You can upload your image. Also, you can add text, you can choose the different styles over there. Also, you can generate the video. Kling AI has several features like AI powered video creation. You can customize the templates, also speed and efficiency, and no need technical skills, and you will get high quality output video. Kling AI isn't just a tool, it's a solution for a variety of video creation needs. Number one, if you are a marketer, so definitely you have to do a marketing campaign, so you need videos, especially for video marketing. Social media content, so if you want to grow your TikTok account or YouTube channel or Reels account, so definitely you can create this kind of videos using AI. And educational content, so if you are a teacher or online educator, so definitely Kling AI will help you to generate the videos that gonna help you a lot. Maybe a family event or personal blog, creative project. So AI gives you the tools, make you ideas and come to log. You can use on both desktop and mobile device, so you can create videos anytime, anywhere. The platform is continuously updated with new features, ensuring that you always have the latest tools at your disposal. Okay, and the most interesting is you can download from their home screen. So right now they have images and videos. So how you can download? So if you don't want to create by yourself, so don't worry, you can download. Check out their galleries, you will find the videos and images, which one is perfect for your project. So download this. So how we can download? Okay, so let's click on this. That's mean I want to download this video. This is the video I want to download. You can also get their prompt section. Okay, a corgi wearing sunglasses strolls on the beach of the tropical island. Okay, so you will find a three dot, click on that, and you will find a download section. So click on download. So it will automatically download into your device. So our video is already downloaded. All right guys, so you will find lots of videos over there. So dog swimming, water ripples spreading. So you can download this video. All right, and how we can download the images. Okay, so let's click on wall and just click on images, and then you will catch different images. Just open the image and pretty much similar, click on three dot and click on download. So this is how you can download free images and videos. And if you want to create by yourself, so definitely you have to log in into this account. So that's why you have to sign up with your Gmail account, and then you will get a free credits. Like here you can see sign in for free credits. That's mean when you create a video or images, so it will cut a credits from your free account. All right, so this is how you can easily download videos and images from this kind of tools. This kind of tools isn't free. Definitely you're right, this kind of tools isn't free, but we have a chances to get their free templates or images or videos, or sometimes we can get some credits. All right guys, so I think you got it. And use these tools. Just visit their website and download, and also you can create. So if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit the notification bell so you can never miss update. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.